Say hi to the camera. Another day.
GoPro is mini, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go for some jigging. Just gonna set up before we get on the boat. Hopefully we don't snag a treasure or snag on our net unlike last time. So see you on the boat. Bit rough on this side, but we'll go around this building. So go in the back. Less wind, less commotion. We can jig easy. Just need to find a good way to get on the boat. Maybe only a bit windy. Fish on!
Just put the red.
Fish on!
Sama, nakukuha.
Skitsy! You're okay there?
Yeah.
Alright. Skitsy!
Okay.
Yeah! Ready! Get up!
Okay.
Go bro, go! Hold, this one. Yeah.
Okay. Punta.
Alright, we're good. Sit down here. Wow! Mission complete. We just need a. Yeah, it's new. We just need a fish now. Ooh, Stanley! Yeah! What's up? Okay. Get wet.
Just release and use the tensioner.
Ah, smart. Shea Jigger 3000 HG from Stanley. Thank you for the new setup. We're breaking this rod today. Oi! Yeah, fish on! Yeah, fish on! Is it on? Check. Oh, tuna! Ay, tangigi! Actually, tangigi. Small.
Let it wait. Tangigi din.
Ay, Queenie!
On the video.
Is it on? Tech?
Yeah.
Ooh, little Queenie! I sunk it so long, bro. Ah, yeah. I think they're Queenies, bro. Pliers, bro, please. Bro, pliers, please. Pliers. Oy, I need pliers, bro. I think those were no, there were tuna, bro. I think this is just an extra fish. I thought it was nangigi. Oy. No. I was doing it fast. So hard to unhook. There we go. Yeah, and the homemade. Lil Queenie on the homemade stick bait. Zandley! Queenie! With Zandley! Okay, we're gonna go to a light jigging spot. There's a hot dog floating. Uy! What was the feeling of your biggest fish? Already they're striking. How much more these tiny ones? And very good action. I'll help. The hot dog is
Parang ba, awiran na mo. Awirin? Okay, okay.
I can feel the sharks, bro. Bro, there's a lot of sharks here. Bull sharks. Bull shark. I'll get down first.
Okay din ito.
Kira.
Okay lang. Kuan. Kuan ninyo. Hindi magkaligo.
Pet, sudah beli.
Pet.
First drop by the boat. Oh, bro, look! They're right there. Yeah. Change of jig. Oh, look at a little snag. Oh, go.
Ha?
Really good.
Gaan kay sila pa yung restaurant di kagaan kay trabaho dito sa kuha ng pagtaha. Hindi na makuha daw. Dito bagol ka sa kinarong dulo. Mangawat ka. Kasi raw piso uy.
Ano sa inyo ngana?
Kompleto na yung ticket uy.
Oh,
Tirado. Dito bakod tinto, tuig-tuigon
oh, dumaw na mga ikat mong dangatan kay.
Oh,
Matuki man gyud na. Sibat ka na.
oh yun. Ayan, ganda ka ng pamilya no. Kaya ilan ka rin ka.
Sakto mo ang imong lutan.
Get spooled! Zenly gonna get spooled! Zenly spooled! Zenly! No, take out the line, take out the line! Zenly, take out the spool! Ay! You should have let it spool out! Zenly, what was the reaction to your reaction? Should have spooled out, so I don't have to take it in again. Let's go back to the. Let's redrift. Pressure shark! Oh. Man, it's 20 kilo treasure. There we go. Oh no, there's a fish. That's why.
Lapu-lapu na. Nilagpatok ini. Nilagpak. Nisliod ini. Ikaw yun.
Red lapu-lapu. Red lapu-lapu. It's big. Big coral. Yeah! Wow. Bro, you want to grill? Grilled coral.
Dito mo kaupyan rin ko ay ng lupa. Kita kayo na yun ay ganun. Kanda pa tuna ba? Upa kang dago. Yo. Silver na ba sa mo nang
Hungry but makes me angry. No fish. I need you to hold both of the fish, Zanli.
Oh, you hold the fish.
Yeah. The only two fish that we caught today.
Oh yeah.
No luck. Sadly, almost got spooled. Oh, I'll see you in the next video.